This little binoculars I got from Fred Meyer a long time ago when Kohl's in Orem used to be Fred Meyer. So I'm glad I got this binoculars. And it comes in handy when you need you know, do find stuff or whatever, like this drone. Okay, so okay. Now, I don't know if I should tie my rope from this on this tree, on this trail. Okay, it's behind some bushes, so I see it now. Okay. Day number 3, and I barely got up here. And then, according to the map, it's around here somewhere, so I decided to, look down, and sure enough, I just barely got up here. Not more than a few minutes ago. Definitely less than 20 minutes ago I got up here. Okay, so anyway, and so let me see, am I in the right place? See, around there somewhere, the rocks. Okay, maybe. Okay, we'll wait. What happened was, this is a brand new experience for me. I just bought the drone this year, and it's $1,000 drone.
Oh, then you at least, you gotta try.
Gotta get it, you know what I'm saying? So, well, I'm glad you see it, buddy.
Or do you know
you're not imagining it.
Yeah.
any young kids that you can just hire that can just get
No,
down there?
you see, there's the valley is right there, or whatever you call that.
It's kind of a creek bed, but
Yeah, so I'm kind
I think if you kind of remember that straight pole at the bottom that's next to that gray rock.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the gray rock where it's at? I was kind of wondering about that.
Well, no, it's about halfway up and down. It's about halfway up the slope.
Yeah.
That's pretty close to it.
Yeah.
It's halfway up the slope?
Right?
Let me see.
A drone?
Oh, it's drone.
So,
If that's what we're looking at.
see.
You mean next to the flat rock?
Yeah.
Yeah, the flat gray rock. The flat gray rock. And that flat gray rock,
Like wings to wings.
okay, it's right there then.
Yeah, it's not that far.
Okay, so
You don't see it?
yeah, I see it.
If you go up the creek bed and look for that hole.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, is that flat rock? What flat rock? Yeah, okay. Is that flat rock right here? It's that flat rock right here. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so yeah, there's the flat rock. And there's the drone. So it's not that far. It's not that far from here. It's right there. Okay. But I do not I dare to tie my rope off at this point. You see? Okay, because there's a place where I can climb down there. And get the drone. Or I can go down over there in the creek bed or whatever and get it. So I think I'm gonna try going down first, and if that doesn't work, I'll come back here and tie the rope off, or oh, you're actually doing that? Okay, so my friend whom I just met is helping me to retrieve the drone. Mr. Brave Man. You think you can make it? You need the rope, or you're gonna go back the same way? Yeah. Oh no. It's very breakable. Yeah, it's kind of fragile. It's got a high quality camera on it. $1,000. Can you believe that? Yeah, thank you so much. Now, don't slip whatever you do. Thank you. You need some kind of assistance? You think you got it? Wow, I can't believe you're doing that. Just don't lose your footing. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, hold on to the branches. They're strong. And the one above you. Can you get it? Oh, I can't. And the one above you. And there's one ahead of you. Yeah. I can't believe you did that. Okay, buddy.
I got my workout. That's good.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, that's it. I got the drone. Just trying to. It doesn't look dirty on the lens. I had just barely changed the lens and just barely got this thing. This is the first time I flew with this thing, and it's kind of dusty in there, but the lens doesn't seem to be dusty. And when I And when it crashed, that gimbal, that camera, kind of like went down on its own. So, wow, how do you like that? Day number 3. Okay. Well, this is all I wanted to do. But being that I still have time, I'm kind of wondering, maybe I can test this thing out, see if it's still working. I'll go home and clean all the dust from it. There was a little pebble in there. So